Hello traders, how are you? Good weekend. Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and this video is my weekly Forex forecast and analysis. And we are entering the first week of February, second month of 2022. I hope you enjoyed your January. Here it's pretty cold and looking forward for the weather to get better. So let's begin. In today's video, I would want to cover two opportunities that I find very interesting, the Dow Jones and the gold. But right before I jump on my charts, if you are new to this channel, first of all, welcome to our fantastic community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Please follow the subscribe button below the video. And remember to enable the notifications so you know when there is a new video and a new content available for you. And also I invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you will enjoy all our real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education. To join us, follow the link below the video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. And now let's begin. As I said, two opportunities which I find very interesting. Technically, one of them is gold, the other one is Dow Jones. Let's begin with the gold. So what do we have here on gold, which I find interesting? It's based on multi-time frame analysis. And by the way, if you don't understand all the terms I'm using, or you want to dig deeper and learn all my trading methods, my trading techniques, and my trading strategies, join us in Traders Academy Club, as I said before, in the link below this video, in the description or in the pinned comment. And enjoy all our real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education delivered to you in a dedicated channel, in videos, detailed videos, and full, transparent, track-recorded trading journal where you can easily follow up. This is what you see in front of you right now. Where you can easily follow up all our trades opportunities. That's pretty much it. So as I said, all the terms I'm using, that's what I use in Traders Academy Club. If you want to take it a step further and learn that deeper and enjoy from all I do, I invite you to join our family. So what do we have on gold? It's a multi-time frame analysis. The way I see that at the end of these three waves, we are currently in the corrective phase. The first leg of this corrective phase is here, and now we are still holding this consolidation. As we can see, the market not clearly making higher highs or lower highs, or lower highs, lower lows. It's consolidating without any clear direction. Normally, I don't intend to predict the future here, but normally such things, unless something crazy will happen, lead for another leg down, which I think would be ideal if we can complete one more low to complete here some massive divergence, and then very likely gold would explode. Again, I don't intend to predict the future for a very long term. It's here and now, but based on this analysis, I'm looking for my next opportunities. And here where it comes. So the daily falling resistance line still hold, and the most recent divergence, it's between these higher highs on the chart, lower highs on the histogram, hints that we are very possibly moving down again. If my analysis is correct, this is where I am looking to trade it. So what happens here is we broke this up channel straight. Right now, we can see the market is retesting the lows. So very logical to see that from this area, we would face some sort of short-term pullback. And this is exactly where I believe the next sell-off would take place. So sell the rallies is exactly my plan here. Few levels I would be paying attention to in terms of the possible areas for a sell. So first of all, of course, this rejection zone here, we have the resistance zone, and then we have several highs of the previous move up. So we have a high here, and then we have high here and here. So that's the zones. Now, Can we predict which zone is going to really behave as a major resistance? We can't, but from these areas, I would be looking for possible opportunities. One of the techniques I love to use is with a hidden divergence. When we have lower highs on the chart and higher highs on the histogram, I love this technique. And of course, it comes with specific rules. That's what you can learn with us in Traders Academy Club. And that's the opportunity I would be looking at. Short-term pullbacks to the upside. Once it completes, assuming it happens, look for the reversal setup, the bearish continuation from these key levels. Hidden divergence or false breakout and convergence. For example, something like that. We have a rally, then false breakout and lower lows. Okay, that's also a price structure we can follow. And the next one for me would be the Dow Jones. Before I do that, what do you think about the gold? Are you bullish here? Are you bearish, and why? Please share with me and with other viewers below the video in the comment section. And thank you very much for your help and your inputs. So the Dow Jones is next. But I would like to take this opportunity and to ask your help, your support. 10-15 seconds of your time would be huge help to me, my work, and to this channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button below the video. Feel free to share this video with anyone who you believe can benefit by watching that. And please leave some feedback, some comment, some question in the comment section. This is how YouTube algorithm works. And your help is very much appreciated. And thank you very much in advance to all those of you who take the time and help. So the next one is the Dow Jones. And what do I see here? It's pretty much amazing, technically speaking. So looking on a weekly chart, I believe we are running in a slowdown condition here. We have a huge divergence here. And on the recent price behavior, look, higher highs on the chart, lower highs on the indicators everywhere, moving averages, the histogram, the RSI, and mainly the lower lows. We finally break the lows. So from my point of view, this is great technical sign. You can see that also my indicator, false break and convergence indicator, which I use, found the false breakout and the convergence for me. So I am looking to sell the rallies. A few levels to pay attention to. First of all, this inner high of this rally, which also was a supportive zone here. And then, of course, the previous high here and here. Three classical areas to look for the lower, on the lower time frame for sell opportunities. If we go to the lower time frame, on the 4-hour chart, we can clearly see the market gaining here. Let me just draw it for you. 3 waves. Okay, so right now, very likely we enter into some sort of a corrective phase, which once completed show the signs for continuation, like with bearish divergence or fake high, right? Like fake highs attempting, then I believe this is an amazing opportunity to look for possible continuation down. So that's my view on Dow Jones. I believe there is more to come. And I think we just entered the very, very first phase of a deep bearish correction, or maybe later on even a bearish market. Again, I don't intend to predict years further, but with all the technical signs, and also fundamentally, if we think about it, the Fed is clear about hiking the rates, and unless something crazy would happen, this is the direction we are heading to. Fundamentally, technically lined up, and I think that's our opportunities to look for these trading opportunities and to enjoy from them. So let me know, what do you think about Dow Jones? How do you see this one? Please feel free to share your view and your inputs in the comment section. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I wish you a fantastic trading week. Once again, I invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club. Enjoy all our real-time education and real-time trading ideas delivered to you by videos. And as I showed you before, in our trading journal, where you can easily track record every single trading idea we talk about. To join us, please follow the link below the video in the description or in the pinned comment. And I'll see you soon with more videos. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, be healthy. I wish you a wonderful trading week and see you soon. Ciao for now.